In this video, we will learn that how to repair corrupted Windows system files with the SFC command. For instance, if your Windows is facing or experiencing some blue screen or other types of crashes issues, or for instance applications are failing, or even some important features of Windows, the features are not working properly, so you can use this command to repair corrupted Windows system files. So for this we will go to the Windows and this search, and here we will type command prompt, right click, run as administrator. A pop-up window will appear here. Maybe this is not appearing in the recording, so you will have to press on yes. Now here you can type SFC space / scan now. So beginning system scan, this process will take some time. So beginning verification phase of system scan, you can see 5% has been completed, 6%, so it will take some time. So let me pause the video. Once it's going to complete, I will resume it. So it's almost now, actually it's 90%, 91%. So approximately, it's going to complete very soon. Approximately will take few seconds now. I just paused the video during this process because started verification phase of system scan few minutes ago, and it took like some minutes. You can see verification 100% complete, and Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations because my system working properly, the system files working properly. There are no corrupted Windows system files, therefore this error, this message is showing. So for instance, if you see a message like Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them, so you can now you can see there was no corrupted files, therefore it's showing like Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. But if you see the message Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them, you can try to restart your PC, your computer, your device in the safe mode, and then running the command again. Okay, and if this step also fails, so you can also try booting with your installation media or also recovery disk, and then you can try the command, this command from there, then it should work perfectly. So these steps you can try. And right now, as my system don't have any corrupted Windows system files, so Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. But if you are facing like blue screen, as I told you, or other crashes, applications are failing, then you can, and even some features of Windows, important features are not working properly, then this SFC space / scan now command you can use in the command prompt to repair the corrupted Windows system files. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please share the video with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much once again.